लेडी सलमान खान के नाम से अपनी पहचान बनाने वाली मायरा ने अपनी मैगजीन लॉन्च की है। इस मैगजीन का नाम है एनलाइटन इंडिया। समर कलेक्शन को ध्यान में रखते हुए इस मैगजीन में जिंदगी में कलर्स की कितनी अहमियत है, इस बात को इस मैगजीन के जरिए दर्शाया गया है। वह इस मैगजीन में मेकअप स्टाइल, नेचर ऑफ ग्रीन, फ्लोरल प्रिंट की जानकारी दी गई है। जिस तरह इनकी एक अनोखी मैगजीन है, उसी तरह सलमान खान के प्रति उनका अनोखा प्यार भी नजर आया। उनकी हर बातों में केवल सलमान 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 ही है। आइए मायरा ने उनके मैगजीन के बारे में और सलमान खान के प्रति लगाव के बारे में क्या कहा, जानते हैं।
I'm all super excited and accelerated, and I'm so excited about this. Is my own favorite summer collections, and I'm so in love with summer. And summer is out, so does my Enlighten India magazine cover page is out. So guys, please go and grab a copy right now. April issue 2017. That, make it a little casual and soothing. Skin has to breathe inside, so you should feel comfortable what you wear. So once you're comfortable with your own clothes, where it just like feels very casual and like chilled out, so I think it's always better to wear your own. No, it's like it's going to be pretty hot and hotter and hottest, yes, and you have to take care of your skin and your mental level. It's going to get too hotter, so it's better you have to wear, keep it simple, keep it casual, and just linen and cotton and very easygoing, floral prints, and which makes you feel very comfortable and just sexier and cooler as you feel, the more the comfortable clothes what you wear. I was very surprised to see this young generation, like Enlighten India is getting into all this young generation right now. They're supporting the youngsters. You talk about the photographer and talk about the as in me, and you know what? They're just supporting these youngsters, a young generation. Where they're very talented. I really had amazing. It's like complete family, and it's just like a teamwork and amazing team effort, and you could see it in the magazine. Like we have just put in all 200%. Lady Salman Khan, for that you have to grab a copy, look for my cover story, so you will find the answers. Lady Salman Khan, why am I called? I think you need to read the magazine, so do grab a copy right now, which is out on stands. Everyone's favorite he is, like मेरा भी बहुत favorite है. Salman, it's just that he's not married and I'm not married, so like it's just like just that. But it's Salman is like is an amazing, being human. Not everyone is a human in the industry. Every stardom, like sub stars, like everyone has got their own fame. And I believe Salman, being a star, being a stardom, and being in a superstar level, he still have got time for this mentally retarded. उसका कोई IPL टीम नहीं है, उसका अभी भी like wahi, like bandstand mein like he's got the same old house. He's a very down to earth person, and he's amazing soul, a beautiful person. And being human is like one of the campaign which I like, that's what I love Salman. And I have a mentally retarded, and I support our mentally retarded sister. I support as an NGOs, and I am into like supporting people like for right and good causes. So one of the reasons, and he's always been like victim of circumstances. He's never been a bad person, to look at it, like he's got so much hassles in his life, but still he's a superstar for me. He's an amazing soul, amazing beautiful heart he's got. Apart from stardom, apart from fame and everything what he's got, I believe that he's a beautiful human. So I connect where it's very few, काफ़ी कम होते जो स्टार होने के बाद सब IPL टीम खरीदते, बट he's got being human. That's what I believe. There's a differences, where you don't have, there's so many people, stars, who don't have time for like NGOs and social works, but he's got all the time to invest time to such beautiful mentally retarded kids and support people like them. it's very few who's got that. I'm so connected to him, and yeah, we've been just I've been drunk and driven and hit, and I've just got away out of it, and I'm like full. I like his bi style, like a mafia, like a don, like the very chilled out and cool attitude. So I'm so connected with him, like we don't have rules in life. We follow what we want to do, like I believe in it. Live your life every day as simple, as cool, and as like happiest, like be the most happiest person whatever you do. Maybe you can just break a bottle, maybe you can steal a wine glass, maybe you can drink and drive, you can do whatnot, like you can just drive a rickshaw, you can just go by, ride bicycle, just be happy what you do. That's what Salman does and that's what I do. So we both, हम लोगों की कोई किस्मत connections होगी शायद, I don't know. Well, as in लड़कियों के बारे में, like it's like it's overrated, or it has to be like misunderstood. Yeah, majority I feel it is like overrated, I guess. Yeah, that's what I've said according to the magazine, like in my interviews. It's because they don't, in India especially, they don't like think about like 20 years back, like now you see the film fraternity, like it's changed amazingly. And now I think it's like we equally do the dominant, as in dominating character roles. It was earlier the male dominant, now it is equally. You can see like so many actors like Priyanka Chopra and Deepika Padukone, we all see them in Hollywood, So as an equally a male dominated, I believe that, it's an equal. India, it's just grown so much ahead, like, so I am happy about the way it's grown, like, in a couple of years, like it's been like 5-7 years that it's amazingly like empowered a woman, like for the work. And there's nothing about casting couch and all, it's all about willingness of one. I mean, there's nothing wrong, and there's nothing wrong in like good and bad in this industry, like nobody forces you to do anything. If you want to do, you're there. First of all, why you're there, make sure that you want that, but still if you're there, so you want to be there. So ऐसा कभी गलत या सही गलत कुछ नहीं होता है, जो जिसको जो चाहिए वो वहीं पे रहता है. So I don't think that I should blame film industry and the people who are working as in casting couch. People blame casting couch. It is it's so misunderstood, it ऐसा कभी नहीं होता है. Like when someone wants to do something, they know the whole story, history, everything, but still they are there. So you can't blame the industry or the casting couch. You know everything and you still want to be there. So it's all about willingness. So you have to be where you want to be, and you can't blame. So you should decide whether you have to be there or not. If you're there, then you should accept for where you are. And I feel that it's all about you decide what you want, and you can be where you want to. Nobody forces you to to do anything which is not willing, which doesn't come from you. So you decide where you want to be, and you can be where you want to be. So nobody forces you to do anything. So there's no reason for you to blame casting couch or a bad bad film industry. No, nothing as that. Misunderstood because it's not been like the way it used to be once a time. Like 10 years back, you can see only Khans posters, like only the Khans in Bollywood. And yeah, now you can see like as in Hollywood, like people are Hindi, as in Hindi movies, and Bollywood, like getting Hollywood right now. I can see Chopras, you can see Chopras and Deepika Padukone, so many things happening, abroad, as in Hollywood. So it's not like that what used to be once a time. So just not Khans, now you can have Chopras and you can have Padukones, and you never know, like there's so many more to come. So I'm happy to see film fraternity to grow so beautifully for women, and as a woman I'm really happy to see. I'm really happy. I just don't believe in plans, and because like life is all about to live to the fullest. For me, my life is all about working day to day. I take life as a spirit. Whatever comes, I just enjoy my work, and I just love, because it keeps changing. life is always about changes. So I believe in changing life constantly. It changes like everyone's life, I suppose. So I don't stick to one damn plan. So you know me, I'm into interior designing and I'm into fashion designing. I'm going to be launching my own fashion online and fashion my own label. So I love to do everything, you know, like just not like it should be like a woman should be with multi-talented, like, you know. So I believe not in one thing, you know. I love to do interior designing. I love to play with clothes, and acting is just my passion, my hobby. So I just love to take life as it comes with the flow. I live day by day. So I enjoy my work. For me it's being happy, you know. I enjoy everything, you know, complete, like from sober to happiness. Just enjoy everything. I believe in that. Of course, I mean, it's my heartbeat. I mean, why not? I mean, like, I'm so crazily in love with Salman. Like, you know, he's an amazing person. He's an darling. He's like so. I just love him for his beautiful golden हीरा है हीरा, you know, like खान का मतलब वो होता है mines. So he's like big huge golden heart, like, you know, why not? I just love, I mean, you know, and yeah, people call me as Lady Salman Khan, and I'm so excited. I feel so proud to be associated with that name itself. So yes, of course, I would love to do a magazine cover. Yeah, of course, if given a chance, as in for the nudity, as in I would love. There's nothing wrong about nude, as being nude, and you know, doing a photo shoot for a nude magazine. I believe, you know what, nudity is like God's own creation, you know, like how can you just challenge something which is created by God itself? So nudity itself is a superpower, and superpower of a woman which God created, and you can't challenge God, don't you? No, please, who wants to challenge God? So I believe a beautiful woman, and it's about her being nude, it's beautifully, as in, you know, it's a creation of God, you know, you can't just go wrong. So I love, yeah, given a chance, I would love to do it, flaunt my body, why not? Sure. Okay, this is the Enlighten India magazine, April 2017, which got a headliner, Lady Salman Khan, and that's Myra, and that's me. I'm so loving it. Thank you.
You know, जब उन्होंने कहा था कि आई एम लेडी सलमान खान, एंड देन उसके बाद उनका जो नेचर था, शी इज़ वेरी चिल्ड आउट, वेरी कूल, वेरी हम्बल, वेरी डाउन टू अर्थ. तो आई थिंक, तो उस हिसाब से आफ्टर वी मेट, आफ्टर वी हैड अ फोटो शूट विद हर, पूरा एक दिन हमने एक साथ में बिताया साथ में. सो इसके बाद ऑफिस में हमने डिस्कस किया था कि दिस हैज़ टू बी द हेडलाइंस, इट हैज़ टू गो ऑन द मैगजीन, एंड द मैगजीन का कवर पेज बताना चाहिए, इट शुड रिफ्लेक्ट व्हाट मायरा इज, एंड दैट्स हाउ वी केम टू कोट हर एज आई एम लेडी सलमान खान.
Of course, why not? Because, you know, I believe stardom is not only just a star, being a star. Stardom is just not fame. It's just not being a superstar, like, you know.